Here's a look at Grand Forks on a late Monday afternoon, 21 degrees, but we have a winter weather advisory in the works for Tuesday. Blowing and drifting snow impacts are expected along and west of the valley by late Tuesday morning. Impacts to travel are expected in the valley and points westward. Most areas will experience at least in open country near blizzard conditions. There's a 30% chance for widespread blizzard conditions. Winter weather advisory in the valley points west. Devil's Lake Basin, 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Tuesday. In the valley, 11 a.m. to 9 p.m. Tuesday. Winds gusting up to 55 miles per hour at times. Tuesday afternoon. Winter weather advisory for Roseau and Lake of the Woods, 12 a.m. to 6 p.m. Tuesday. Blowing and drifting snow. A swath of falling snow north of I-94 with the highest toward Lake of the Woods, Roseau counties, and lighter amounts south and west. Winter weather advisory for Lake of the Woods and Roseau with 2 to 5 inches expected. In the valley toward the west, winter weather advisory for near blizzard conditions. I'm Neil Carlson reporting for iNewZ.TV.